Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me no man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.
Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up your Zimmy. Jamaica underscore verse underscore gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, today we're here with Deva Bratt featuring 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I see what you did there. I get it. I get it. Look at the thumbnail and you will know why I get it. Look at the thumbnail. I get it. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah, this is the ice cream cone. Yeah, big up Crucial Conflict. Let's jump into one and hear the G officer. Let's go. Deva Bratt, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Let's go.
She did it. She did it well. She got brain. She make it swell.
Bobo class.
Can I do it again? She give me. She make me feel. Okay. The first night I picked her up on a bike. She said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight. Right. So we go book a room at Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way. Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say yeah, whatever, just do it like Nike. I balls forward. Soon as she grab the mic, now she fisky with the tongue and her flows them tight. Me strap. Pull up.
Yo, hear me I say that. Hear me I say. Never bad. You know, so never got damage you. Never got damage you, no, me jaw. Me J, listen, dog. Listen.
She did it. She did it.
I love her story.
She got brain.
I love her story. Especially in the music. Talented.
Can you do it again? She give me. She make me feel.
Let's go.
Okay. The first night I picked her up on a bike. She said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight.
Right.
So we go book a room at Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way.
Yeah.
Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say yeah, whatever, just do it like Nike.
Yeah.
I balls forward. Soon as she grab the mic, cause she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight.
Bobo clat. Hold on, man. She frisky with the tongue and her. Yo, take off that.
Right, so we go book a room at Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way.
So she said, yo, don't worry about the money. Even though you want the brains, no worry about them. Me have the cat. So she willing to spend her money. All right. A good girl.
Okay. The first night I picked her up on a bike. She said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight. Right.
I
so we book a room at Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way. Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say yeah, whatever, just do it like Nike. I balls forward. Soon as she grab the
Well, man, give me some bites, man. When bites them there? The man say, I balls forward. Soon as she grab the... Yo, that you test man.
Uma Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way. Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say yeah, whatever, just do it like Nike. I balls forward. Soon as she grab the mic, cause she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight. Me frightened. Me nearly froth up like a sprite. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe. No.
Me frightened. The man said he nearly froth up like a sprite. So if a girl grab the mic, if him balls forward and the girl grab the mic, froth up like Sprite, you know what time it is. I'm just paint the picture.
Like Nike. I balls forward. Soon as she grab the mic, cause she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight.
Yeah.
Me frightened. Me nearly froth up like a Sprite. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe. No need for no whipped cream, nor no crush ice. Cheese. Thank you for the picture, man. I go put it on the side.
Oh my God. my God. Is this what I'm thinking it is? Is this what I'm thinking that it is?
No need for no whipped cream, no crush ice. Cheese, thank you for the picture, man. I go put it on the side. Everybody like. Me feel. She make me feel. Hyper. She give me. Me like. She make me feel. Alright. Park the bike and then drive out to RVR. With presidential thing, you know why you see me with her. She said the engine want fix it, I forgot to if we go park. Plus afar, she said pull off and pop the hood of me car. That's a good go.
She said pull over and pop the hood of me car. Listen how Emma emphasize big words, but listen how Emma emphasize on some of the words then. Just listen, dog. Listen.
Alright, we park the bike and then drive out to RVR. With presidential thing, you know why you see me with her. She said the engine want fix it, I forgot to if we go park. Plus afar, she said pull off and pop the hood of me car. That's a
pull over and pop the hood of me car. A hood she a pop. How the blood clot Deva Bratt. Deva Bratt, I'm gonna beat you in the G.
Good compressor, pressure regulator. If we go to RVR. With presidential thing, you know why you see me with her. She said the engine want fix it, I forgot to if we go park. Plus afar, she said pull off and pop the hood of me car. That's a good compressor, pressure regulator. Brand new battery and fuel injector. I'll spew in her face when me rev it in a star. I wish she name make me no left it in a star. She name. She did it.
Creativity, bro.
She did it well.
Creativity, bro.
Got brain. She make it swell. Can you do it again? She make me feel. Okay. The first night I picked her up on a bike. She said me should not drive because she want keep out of sight.
Right.
So we go book a room at Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat for swipe.
Right.
Then she said Deva, me I go take you on
a
a flight.
flight.
She said yeah, whatever, just do
You
it like
night.
I balls forward. Soon as she got the car, she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight.
Yes.
Me frightened. Me nearly froth up like a
That's
sprite. She
right.
put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe. No need for no whipped cream, no crush ice. Cheese, thank you for the picture, man. I go put it on the side.
That part that don't get me. Thank you for the picture. I'm gonna put it on the side. Remember, say leak picture did come out with Lisa. So he must say, yo, even though I'm take the picture, he must say, yo, thank you for the picture. I'm not gonna put it on the side. I'm not gonna do like what? Alright, let's time.
No crush ice. Cheese, thank you for the picture, man. I go put it on the side.
Right.
Everybody like. Me feel. She make me feel. Hyper. She give me. Me like. She make me feel. Alright, me park the bike and then drive out to RVR. With presidential thing, you know why you see me with her. She said the engine want fix it, I forgot to if we go park.
The man say a presidential thing. Me know why you see me with her. So that means say it's not a girl to be seen with. Yeah, basically. Yeah.
She make me feel. Alright, me park the bike and then drive out to RVR. With presidential thing, you know why you see me with her. She said the engine want fix it, I forgot to if we go park. Plus afar, she said pull off and pop the hood of me car. That's a good compressor, pressure regulator. Brand new battery and fuel injector. I'll spew in her face when me rev it in a star. I wish she name make me no left it in a star. She name.
It's bad. This bad. No joke. This bad. Deva Bratt, big up yourself. Deva Bratt, we can have one more month a song, please. Just this month. This month is a short month, 28 days a night. We can have one more month of be a song, please, again. Please. What does just this month? Like this month. Yeah, just this month. Please. Yo! Oh no, this time do no reaction yesterday. Come just I don't know. Like, yo, I don't want to think about this one in the comment section though. Alright, big up yourself. 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���, big up yourself. Lisa, big up yourself, mama. Yeah, big up yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. I'll be down there listening and watching and reading. Alright? I'll catch you guys down there. Peace. Lisa hype, Lisa hype.
Then you never know what's up party. Girl, them a call and a ball and a lily link from. Girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York, love worst game of reaction. Girl from Puff Bay, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lily Linton, Girls Hill, Gal, Tigo, Gal, Deville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rona, Lily Linton. Actually, factually, you know what's the very much representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hear me, man?